I was following the guy in front aimlessly, just walking right.
Yeah, because I saw him like, what the fuck is happening? He was just. Yeah.
I just retreated so you can feel right.
I just grabbed his knife and like,
Marshall coming through.
Chris Moulton and Marshall, don't make me laugh. By the way, there is no debate on my stand tonight. Marion,
Yeah.
we can't go
Oh,
down
okay.
below this floor.
Alright.
Below this floor.
Oh.
We can go through there. We just can't go below this.
Cool.
They're trying to tunnel us through that right hand side now. It's going to be a slaughter. Remember, it to be brave enough to lead the slaughter.
Don't give yourself a position. Thank you, mate.
Grenade down the stairwell.
What?
Grenade right hand side. There's like 4 of them. You kill them.
I don't have my grenade.
Oh shit.